I'm Teddy, and we're going to be showing you how to use Powerschool and what blitz days are. So here's Powerschool. As you can see, these are all my grades. And you have your missing assignments right here, and your grade history, and all of this stuff. And Carter, you explain what blitz days are.
So blitz days are when it's just a day. It's a normal day until 5th and 6th period, and during 5th and 6th period, if you have 5 missing assignments or more, you can't participate in blitz day. And blitz day is just a bunch of activities. Sometimes they'll be outside, sometimes they'll be inside, and just fun activities to do during 5th and 6th period. And if you don't get to participate and you have 5 or more missing assignments, you have to go to a homework room somewhere in the school, and you'll have to do your homework. You'll have to do all your missing assignments, and if you get most of them done and you get less than 5, then you get to participate in blitz day.
See you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.